I would like to welcome our very special guest, Mr. Vasilios Dimitriadis, the Cyprus Shipping Deputy Minister to the President. Mr. Dimitriadis has been in the position since the 10th of July 2020. What a time to join. Prior to this, he served as a policy officer in the Directorate General of Mobility and Transport of the European Commission. He was previously involved in the promotion of EU sustainable shipping through the coordination of the European Sustainable Shipping Forum. Welcome and thank you so much for joining today's webinar. It's great to have you with us here today.
Thank you very much, Antonia. I look forward to this discussion, to this open exchange of views with you today.
Brilliant. To kick off and to put the discussion into context for our viewers, it'd be really useful if you could just set out the priorities of the Cyprus Shipping Deputy Ministry.
Well, as you very well know, a persisting priority of the Shipping Deputy Ministry is to create a sustainable maritime transport cluster in Cyprus to increase the competitiveness of Cyprus shipping. And of course, we have, in order to achieve this, we have to create the framework conditions. So in this regard, one of my priorities is to launch the process of having a long-term strategy for Cyprus shipping, because I believe this sector is of tremendous importance for the Cyprus economy, and we need to have a long-term strategy for that. We need to have a vision for Cyprus shipping and with concrete objectives. So what we are doing now is basically we are taking stock of our achievement and accomplishments whilst identifying our strong, let's say, capabilities and strong assets that we do have. So we are taking stock of what we have achieved the last 20 years, and we will soon present a narrative and a questionnaire to the stakeholders and to the public in order to collect their views and to formulate a strategy for the next 2 decades. So we would like to do that together with the industry. All the stakeholders, all the relevant players on board to formulate a vision for this sector for the future. So I do believe that this is important, and this will give us also a new impetus of how we placing ourselves and how we are negotiating into the global and European maritime scene. I believe that is very important for a maritime nation like Cyprus to have an orientation where we stand and where we want to go. And of course, this strategy will be centered around the importance of being competitive, but also reflecting the challenges of the sector and how we can cope with the new challenges, with the green transformation, with the digital transformation of the sector. This is our aim. And to go also to refer to some concrete priorities, because it's one thing to have a visionary approach and to formulate a long-term strategy, but the immediate priorities now is to create the framework conditions to digitalize all our services, to be able in hopefully in a year's time to have the framework and the regulatory conditions to have the one-stop shop in the Shipping Deputy Ministry, and through this digitalization we will have the possibility to increase the efficiency of our services and improve the quality of service we provide to our clients. This is very important. Plus the fact that, as you all know, we are now in the final stages of formulating the tender conditions for the Cyprus-Greece Maritime Link. So we are optimistic that after 20 years, this service will be again will be re-energized, and we hope to do that by summer 2021, if COVID-19 pandemic allows, of course.